Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best stainless steel 20-piece flatware set on the market, the KINGSTONE Silverware set. If you're looking for a premium cutlery set that's elegant, durable, and perfect for any occasion, you're in the right place. Let's start with the first impression. Right out of the box, the KINGSTONE flatware set exudes class. With a smooth mirror-polished finish, each piece shines brilliantly under any light, adding a touch of sophistication to your table. The entire set has a minimalist yet refined look, a modern classic that fits beautifully into both casual meals and formal dinners. This specific version is a 20-piece set designed to serve 4 people. That means you're getting 4 of each: dinner knives, dinner forks, dinner spoons, salad forks, and teaspoons. Each piece is crafted with precise dimensions and weight. For instance, the dinner knives are 8.9 inches long and weigh about 2.81 ounces, offering a well-balanced feel in your hand. The dinner forks and spoons are also perfectly sized at 8 inches each, with the teaspoons and salad forks slightly shorter at 6.7 inches, ideal for a well-organized dining experience. Now let's talk material. The KINGSTONE flatware is made of high-quality 18/10 stainless steel. If you're unfamiliar with the numbers, 18 refers to the chromium content and 10 to the nickel. Together, they create a strong, rust-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly durable material that stands the test of time. You won't find bending handles or dull finishes here. One of the standout features of this set is its thickness and balance. The handles have been thickened and shaped for a comfortable grip. They're not too heavy and not too light. Whether you're cutting into a steak or stirring your morning coffee, the weight distribution makes every action feel smooth and deliberate. In terms of care, the set is dishwasher safe, but for those who love to keep their kitchenware pristine, a little hand washing goes a long way. A soft microfiber cloth is all you need to keep that glossy finish fingerprint free. Just avoid harsh steel brushes or abrasive sponges. Gentle care keeps the mirror shine intact for years. The KINGSTONE flatware isn't just built well, it's designed with versatility in mind. Whether it's your daily dinner, a holiday feast, or a wedding reception, this set matches the mood. It's ideal for home, restaurants, parties, and even camping thanks to its resilience. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, furnishing a new apartment, or gifting someone for their housewarming, this flatware set is a polished choice in more ways than one. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more top-quality product reviews coming your way. See you next time.